All right, good luck to everybody. Man, not coming through with the guys on base. All right, let's see what we got, y'all. All right, got a Lawler rookie. Julio, Cowser. Got a die cut here. It's going to be the Fable Phenoms going to the Phillies. And then we got Jordan Westberg. Jack Leiter. Juan Soto. Strawn. Harrison, shot spot the kid. Pete Crow. Gunner, Rafael out of 250 to the Red Sox. It's going to be Dylan taking this one. We got our first auto. Drake Baldwin. Not sure what team he plays for. Let's find out. Got a Connor Griffin here. This one is going to the Braves. It's going to be AE15 taking this one. Drake Baldwin, 43 out of 100. Not bad, not bad. No, we just got a Rafaela for the Red Sox at a 250, and then that auto right there to the Braves. Just started. Showpieces, Acuna. Shots by the kid, Jordan Lawler. And Freelit. Ellie De La Cruz, impact players. And then another auto going to the Rangers. It's going to be Vargas. Ex Cobain taking this one. We got this Ellie here. And then Mike Trout. Ellie. Leo. Encarnacion Strand out of 25. 18 out of 25 going to the Reds. It's going to be Jerpar. There's a Caglione. Christian Moore, best ballers. Going to the Angels. AJ Pat, and then we got Walker Martin going to the Giants here. It's going to be Simon. Not bad. Aaron Judge. Langford, Caminero. We got a Brooks Lee here. Not numbered, I don't believe. Yeah, these aren't numbered. To the Twins. Hagen Smith, best ballers to the White Sox. AJ Pett. This one's going to the Braves, Luis Guanipa. It's going to be AE 15. Curtis Mead. See, so we got 3 autos so far. Or no, did we get 4? Yeah, we got all 4. See if we can get something here with these last 2. Tyler Black out of 99 to the Brewers. Lawn Sports. Jordan Beck, shots by the kid. And that's it for the best. All right, let's see what these HTAs are talking about. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like the first one is going to the Astros. Ferreras. It's going to be Lawn Sports. And then we got to the Angels, Juan Flores at a 150 on the Mojo. And to the Yankees, Christopher Familia out of 100. It's going to be Beagle taking that one. And then AJ Pat got the Juan Flores as well at a 150. So, okay, box. Okay. All right. All right, we got to the Blue Jays, Andres Arias. It's going to be Rodney taking this one. Looks like we got something good here. Let's see. Let's see. Yo. Yo, AE 15. Are you here on the Gold Shimmer? Hell yeah. Braves are going crazy. Yeah, they got that relic, the relic auto. It's tough. All right. And to the Reds, Patelli at a 250. Jerpar. 104 out of 250. All right, I'm gonna get these sleeved up, and then I can do a little highlight reel. You didn't get a single card. Who'd you have? Jay Simon. Jay Simon. Detroit. I got you. I'll throw you some. Yeah, no problem. You didn't even get a just like a base card or nothing. I feel, but if you didn't get anything, I'm definitely gonna. I got you on something for sure. Yeah, I got you, bro. No worries. Yeah. Yeah, you have a good one too, bro. Yeah, break just wrapped up. I'm sleeving these up real quick. Yes, you did get an autograph. Yeah, let me sleeve it up. Show it to you. Or actually, I think you got two of them. Or no, just one. Sorry. There you go. Rodney. Yes, sir. No problem.